Meanwhile, we're getting some breaking updates on the case of the Luthra brothers. They will now be taken to Goa tomorrow. They have been remanded to 2 days transit remand custody. They were produced in a local Delhi court earlier today, and now the court has granted 2 days transit remand that the Luthra brothers can be taken to Goa and made to stand trial there in Goa for the deaths of 25 people in their nightclub. Ananya has more details on this. Ananya, what did the court say while it granted this 2-day transit remand?
Well, as far as the court is concerned, the court has now granted 2 days of a transit remand to the Goa police to actually take these two accused persons, the Luthra brothers, to Goa. Not only that, it was told by the Goa police that, these were two brothers whose custodial interrogation is necessary, and 3 days of a transit remand was actually sought. The court has now granted, in fact, a transit remand of 2 days or 48 hours. And in fact, the Luthra brothers could be taken out from here any moment, and they will be, in fact, brought to, the airport from where he'll be boarding the flight tomorrow morning. Most probably, it's an 8 a.m. flight that they would be boarding. The police is still contemplating on the particular flight, but very clearly, it was stated before the court by the Goa police and, in fact, the prosecution that these are two brothers who are somebody who, are at a flight risk. They've already tried to flee away from the country. They had to be deported back to India, and then only could their custody be secured as far as this case is concerned. So very clearly, at this juncture, these two brothers would be now taken back to Goa, where they would be facing the real prosecution as far as this case under the sections of, in fact, culpable homicide not amounting to murder is concerned. Zaka.
All right, Ananya, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much. Our legal correspondent there giving us details of the Delhi court now granting 2 days transit remand to the Goa police to take the Luthra brothers to Goa and make them stand trial there in this terrible, terrible accident that happened at their nightclub.